Come in here, get a pump on a mad me. Send a picture, come make me dream about it. For me love your pussy.
So you're not going to send me the pic?
I don't know. Maybe.
It's cool, man. I'll send you a little pic, come.
I don't know. You boys like to show your
friends. No, babes. Me not them type of Monday. Me keep everything confidential. Dog. She a go send me the pum pic when you forward me link. Yo. Me no tell people my business.
I would, but it's not shaved.
You shave the lawn if you want to turn me on, man. Can't you shave it?
Okay, give me a minute.
That's all I'm going to need when you send me that pic. Ah, skeet. Alright, do your thing. God damn it, what the hell she a shave for? I wonder if she Muslim or something. Probably have like a Lord of the Rings forest down there. Anyways, I'm going to her until she forward. That cook a while.
I couldn't find it.
You must have did a hide deep in the black forest. Okay.
Are you ready?
More than you can imagine.
Make sure you don't show nobody my nice but wet.
Oh God. Praise Jamaican Jesus. Don't worry, babes. I won't. I am ready.
Here it comes.
How do you ask? Quick memo to all the girls taking pum pics and it keeps coming out like this. You probably need to stop pretty pum the thing there. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy, and you know what you're supposed to do? Like the video, share the video, please and thank. And if you like the intro song to the video, Pretty Pum, go check it out. Dre-blunt, go check out the YouTube page, go download the song, put all of the links in the description below. Go check it out, you see me? And with that said, think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
See your pum don't say me too rude. God knows say me love is a union. And me love you, me woulda never diss you. Me woulda never put a picture them on YouTube. When you ready to WhatsApp, you send them.